Hello, welcome to the Retro Course Show, and today we're going to look at something a little bit different. Not a games machine from China. Oh no, we're going to be looking at a pretty expensive HDMI cable. But why did I buy a pretty expensive HDMI cable? Well, the thing is, I want to upgrade my cable situation, and I am looking towards the future for when I have a Dolby Atmos system and maybe I want to run 4K at 60 Hz. So what type of cable would I choose for that? Well, how about a Ruipro cable? Oh yes. So let's take a look at this cable a bit closer up. Okay, so here we are taking a look at the actual packaging, and as you can see, it is extremely basic, nothing special there. Now you can see it does list some specifications on the actual box itself, but for those who want some more details, let's put them on the screen right now. Okay, so if you want to look through those, please pause the video or take a screen grab or whatever, but let's get back to unboxing this cable. Now, as I said, these cables are pretty expensive. These are not your average cheapo cables. They're made with quality fiberglass components, very good copper, and definitely a premium cable. So I wonder what the unboxing experience is going to be like. I've never actually opened one of these before. Alright, let's take a look. So that's actually a sticker on there. And there we have it. There's the cable. So this is a 10-meter length cable. They do go up to 100 meters, believe it or not, but that's a bit overkill for me. 10 meters is perfectly adequate for my needs. Now, taking a feel of the cable, it's just your standard rubber coated cable. Doesn't feel anything special, I should say. But I do like the way they've taken the time to cover the actual jacks up with these little bits of foam to protect them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the cable ends up close and see how good the build quality is. I'm expecting it to be pretty good. So here we are up and close with the cable, and we're going to remove the foam covering the end, and instantly you'll notice that it actually says display on it. Can you see that there? And it's very important that you connect the display and the source end into the correct sides of the setup you have. Basically because these cables take the power for the HDMI from the display, from the HDMI display, be that a monitor or, you know, a TV. Okay, now, as you can see, they do use gold-ended plugs, and very nice indeed. This is all metal, nicely shielded, and as you can see here, it is closed with Allen key type screws. The actual insides of the cable, hope you can see that there in focus, look pretty tidy as you'd expect. And in fact, to be honest, there's not much to see. So what we'll do is we'll connect this up to the TV and to a 4K source and see what the quality is like. And what better way to check out a 4K image than with the brand new release of Ghostbusters in 4K. Oh yes. Let's check it out. Okay, so those of you in the know will remember that the original Ghostbusters on Blu-ray was extremely fuzzy. Just check out this 4K release. It's nowhere near as fuzzy as the original Blu-ray version.
Exactly as I say.
And the cables are doing a great job.
Ready? Get her!
Oh yes, very good indeed. So as you can see, it has no problem playing a 4K Blu-ray, as you expect, and the sound is coming out really, really well in pure, crystal clear, high definition audio. Now unfortunately I can't record in surround sound, so you have to take my word for it that everything is playing just as you'd expect it to, really well.
But wasn't it incredible?
So there we have it. That is the Ruipro HDMI cable, a very expensive but extremely high-end quality cable. Now I know this is not going to be for everyone, and it's certainly only going to be useful for those people who are thinking of, you know, making some sort of cinema setup system, or those who really must have the, you know, highest end quality cables and so on. But if that's you, you can certainly do a lot worse than one of these cables. I'm going to be using the full 10 meters of this because I need this to be connected to a machine which is going to be actually in another room. So that's going to be really useful for me. Anyway, if you're into these high quality cables, then check out the links in the video description. I've got Amazon links to the US, the UK, and the Japanese store. Those links are not affiliated, by the way, so you know, I don't get anything from them. But anyway, if you're interested in getting some quality cables for your system, you can do a lot worse than this. Alright, until next time, keep on gaming and take it easy, and we'll be back with the new BitBoy. Yes, the Gaming Pro Go, or whatever the hell it's called. Anyway, check you out next time. Take it easy.